Yes, sir, and we back. What's good, y'all's KeeSounds? We back with a. It's gonna be like a Krump tutorial, Krump beat tutorial in a way, but I'm just breaking down my drum kit. You feel me? I got my new drum kit out, and let's go look it up real quick. I like to like just type it in to see how Google reacts. So if you look up KeeSounds Krump hype up, this is my first time doing it. So you go to Bandcamp, we're gonna be there. Instagram, we're there. Facebook, we're there. But yeah, this is the cover right here. And then we do got the album dropping, and that's me, your boy KeeSounds. So let's go to Bandcamp real quick, just to show y'all. And I don't know why it says 26 or what, but this is. Let me go to my page real quick. There we go. I don't know why I said 20. I guess that was a link. But this is my new drum kit, Krump Hype Ups, out right now. Um, so basically, Krump dancing is a dance style. Um, and I'm not gonna like break down Krump dancing, but like within Krump dancing, the style like of dance to show love, you hype people up. So like these are like one shots of the hype ups of like when we got like 40 something hype ups, we got 49 in here. Um, some of them are just different variations of the same word, but it's all Krump hype up. So whoa, whoa, G, you know, street, street, wow, yeah, yeah, let's go, buck. Feel me? G, G. So it's like these are real sounds like G. When you hear people say these things in a session, it gets you in. But at the same time, like a lot of times when I hear the samples, like these one shots, it's not like a real one shot. And no offense to anybody who make Krump drum kits, like it's not like that person sat there in the studio with the microphone, you feel me, and recorded it. That's what I'm doing. Know what I mean? Like, and my mic's like way over there, but I had to bring it over here real quick. But the point is like we got beats coming up too. So I got a snippet G right here. That's just to show you like what's coming up next. And what is coming up next is Holy Days Buck Music. And Holy Days is gonna be like my new like tag, my new Krump producer name. But all things are created in studio at KeeSounds by me. So, that's just like another character or whatever. So I wanna and you see the KeeSounds logo on it. So just to let you know, it's me, but making Krump beats and stuff like that. So we do got like 4 tracks ready. I'm gonna make one to like into 5. But right here we got this Krump hype up. I think it's number 45. So let's go to Krump hype up 45 real quick. Let me guys go to the site. Let me go to the site real quick. So we go to 45. Let's hear 45. Yeah. 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 All right, so yeah. Out of that year, I slowed it down. And basically that year gave me this sound. So we gotta go to 45. I forgot how to do that too on the channel rack. I'm like, how do you make this longer? Krump hype up 4-5. So we go right here. Let's hear it real quick. Yeah. All right. Now there's 2. Let's hear this one. What's different about this one though? Yeah. Like what's it? Yeah. Yeah. One louder, one pinned. One's pinned to the right for nothing. I'm gonna switch that. So we're gonna go into this clip right here, and I took that 45 hype up, and we put it on A1, and this is what it sounds like. All right. So for my sound, if you slow it down and drop that octave, when you press play, so much time and automation is happening automatically that it sounds like a growl. All right, so I took that and a couple other hype ups and I started to make like a loop.
Book. That's book. Book.
Yee.
That's book.
Yee. Yee. Yee.
Book.
Yee.
That's book.
Yee. Yee. And now we do have this section as well too. This is gonna be the 25 hype up. So right here, hear that.
Bang. Bang.
So and if we listen to that, it sounds like this.
Book.
Yee.
Bang. Bang. That's book.
Bang.
Book.
Yee.
Bang.
And then some drums. I just started making Krump beats, y'all, so the drums ain't the craziest, all right, but they all right.
That's book.
Alright, then we got some hats in there.
That's book. That's book.
And like the clap, snare. Let's go in here. So basically I use my Perk Angle drum kit. And I have like a ting, it's like a sound, it's a perk.
That's book.
So I made that sound as well. That's another drum kit.
That's
And
book.
This snare is from Playa. If y'all know Playa Beats, he makes Krump beats. That's his ultra snare. I don't know how you got that snare, bro. That's why I'm kind of finicky with using people's sounds, because it's like I don't even know how you got that snare. That could be a sample, but it's alright. It's under a certain time, so you know what I mean. But then we got the 808 coming in there, and usually I'm like, I was not gonna do an 808 like a regular like trap 808, but I was like, bro, like this raw hood buck mute, like I'm tired of all this, like everything that's in music we can apply that into a beat. Like, all right, I'm tired of all this, like, oh, it gotta be a hip hop sample, and then you gotta get a snare from over here. And I'm like, man, I got all these sounds, bro. I'm using my sounds. I mean, get out of here. So we got the 808 going in there, and I also got a new tag, my Holy Days Buck Music tag.
Holy Days Buck Music.
Feel me? So we got the 808 going in there, and then after everything, we got this like bass sound. Let's see where I got that from. Let me get. It might be Sorrow. It might be Sorrow. Oh, it's Flex. Not bad. Hyperpop. So I got this sound from the Hyperpop kit. Now, I mean, that kit's 15 $15. But you never know, man. Oh, we got that sound from there. All right, so let me see. Oh, and let's hit a beat, guys. Been so long.
Holy Days Buck Music. That's book. That's book. That's book.
I mean, let me say that real quick. Um, we could try to get into another project, but I'm actually gonna keep this one short. So let me just click into this piano just so y'all could see. I just switched these keys around too, like made them. I switched the octave. I think they was on D8, so they was like up here, and I just like brought them down a whole octave. I was trying to like, when you go up and down like keys, like a couple tones, and I'm just like, I don't really like that. It was too high up, so I just brought it down. Like I said, like regular trap sounds, like we got this Zone 6 808, and basically the pattern is like this. All right. So like it's kind of like it's kind of like there, like the emotions that this brings is kind of like, okay, it's hard because like I make trap music, I make pop music and stuff. Like I make all different types of beats, guys. Like I got reggaeton beats and some, so it's like the emotions that this invokes. Um, it's like rock. It's hard. It's like leather jacket and just some boots and all that. So it's pretty cool. And then like a lot of the other parts that you probably wouldn't think are important bring the beat together, like these open hi hats. And this is a KeeSound open hi hat from I think this is in the heat pack. Let me see. Heat pack hi hat. Oh, open hi hat. My fault. Yeah, right here. So that pink open hi hat is right here. Those are my hi hats and sounds. Um, and honestly, guys, I made this kit in like 2019 or something, or 17, or I don't even know, 18 or something like that. Like, it's 2025. I'm still using this kit. I'm still using my own kit. All right. All right. So and then this hi hat right here, I think it was on 4. I think it's on 4 steps. We can just like click into it just to see, cause it's like it's not on every single one. Usually every one is like you'll have a hi hat right here. But that wasn't. That's like a too. It's too fast. That hi hat was too fast. So keep things simple, guys. Don't overthink stuff. Save a project. Come back to it later. That's what I did. That's how I got this beat as it is right now. And we're gonna go. I'm gonna save this, right? We're gonna end this, and I'm gonna jump into another video. So appreciate you guys for tuning in. Appreciate the views. Appreciate like just all the support and the love. Like so far, it's just accumulating and adding up. All the numbers and engagements are going up, guys. Appreciate everything. Just want to say appreciate everyone. Like buying beats for real. Like thank you. That helps the dream come into a reality. You feel me? Chasing a lot of placements this year. So, those of y'all who, how can I say, you want to rap on a Krump beat, or, like you want to learn, let's get it. I'm trying to get some collabs. I'm collabing right now with LaFire. That's a producer from ABCK's dance crew I'm in right now. Well, Krump family I'm in right now, excuse me. So 50 Kafka, I believe, right? Yeah, 50 Kafka is like 50 Kafka esque. Is Charles, I forget your last name, Charles, but you already know LaFire. I'm gonna probably tag him in the video just so y'all can know, subscribe and whatever, but that's bro. But yeah, man, he's under Ruga Valcone, I think. I don't know if Ruga's like, I don't know if that's like his beat name or maybe that's his last name, but Ruga is a Krump producer. He makes Krump beats as well, and that's who LaFire is under. So we're gonna be working, sharing a lot of notes, insight, gems, sauce. So you guys, stay tuned. Subscribe for more, cause a lot of stuff is on the way. Like y'all do not have y'all really don't know. I got some free stuff for y'all too. Like we doing a lot this year. So you guys have a great year. Thanks for tuning in. And yeah, have a great rest of your month, y'all. KeeSounds, fall for more. Yes, sir.